Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, certified trainer from Impact Organization, కెరీర్ కోచ్. జీవితంలో చిన్న చిన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయని బాధపడుతున్నారా? మీకు గోల్ సెట్టింగ్ అండ్ ప్యాషన్ ఉందా? మీరు జీవితంలో సక్సెస్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఈరోజు ఈ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అయిన పర్సన్ యొక్క స్టోరీ మీరు తప్పకుండా వినాల్సిందే. వేలుమణి అంటే చాలామందికి తెలియదు, కానీ థైరోకేర్ యొక్క సంస్థ పేరు చెప్తే ఎవరికైనా నోన్, చాలామందికి ఈ సంస్థ యొక్క పేరు తెలుసు. సో థైరోకేర్ యొక్క వ్యవస్థాపకుడు వేలుమణి గారు. సో ఈరోజు మనం వేలుమణి గారి యొక్క జీవిత చరిత్రను, ఇన్స్పైర్ అయిన లైఫ్ స్టోరీని తెలుసుకుందాం.
I'm from a small village, from a family with 5 children, no income. So fortunately I was poor. Because I was poor, I knew one thing: tomorrow is going to be better, and I kept focusing on my studies. I am Dr. A. Velumani, Managing Director of Thyrocare. This is my story of how I reached for better. What I had was luxury of poverty. At no point of time I had a fear because I had nothing to lose. Fortunately, Coimbatore did not give me job and I had to move to Mumbai, and I got a government job, Baba Atomic Research Center. Wonderful job. Did it for 15 long years. Fortunately, I was not happy with that job also. I resigned my government job in 1996 and I had 2 lakh rupees of Provident Fund, which I have invested in business. It was all the money I had at that time, and I risked all of them together, and it was the romance with the risk. There is a saying in Tamil, and if I translate in Hindi, एक लंबा बाल खींचो, उसमें एक नाट बांधो, पहाड़ के ऊपर डालो, खींचो, आया तो पहाड़, गया तो बाल. In my business, I invested 2 lakh rupees, which I considered that hair, and today it is worth $500 million. That is the pahad. Without taking risk, nothing happens. बड़ा बनना है तो रिस्क लेना है. Today it is the most sought script in the stock market, and I got my IPO oversubscribed 75 times. If you do what you have studied, you will survive. But if you do what you have not studied, you will be the leader. Fortunately, I started late. Fortunately, it took time to reach success, and I am successful only when I am 55. And success, if it comes early, it's very difficult to sustain. So it is good to start business late, when you are matured, when you understand business, and then work on it. Business is not a 100-meter dash, it is a marathon race. In 1978, when I finished my degree, I attended 50 interviews and failed in all of them for one simple reason: they asked for experience and I was a fresher. It was so frustrating. That time itself I took a decision: if I start a company of my own, I will only procure freshers and I will not take experienced. And today I have got 1800 staff. For all the 1800, I am the first employer. There are only 2 things: one is security, another is prosperity. There is no secured prosperity, so price it low. If you're an entrepreneur, price it low, because there is no company on this earth which is closed down because they have priced it low. Many ask me a question: yes, it's a majestic journey, you have reached here, what next? I tell one more zero to explain. If I have 1800 employees, I want it to be 18,000 employees. And once you have 18,000 employees, your turnover will have 0, your profits will have 0. I am a man of mathematics and I chase dreams. Romance with risk to reach for better.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇలాంటి మోర్ వీడియోల కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి మా ఛానల్ను. అండ్ వి స్టార్టెడ్ మోటివేషనల్ అండ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పర్సన్స్ లైఫ్ స్టోరీ సిరీస్. ఎవ్రీడే మీకు ఇలాంటి సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పర్సన్స్ యొక్క లైఫ్ స్టోరీతో మేము ముందుకు వస్తాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.